In this video, we want to create a digital painting water drops. So, if you want to create in that uh, painting in Photoshop, so this will be your process. So first, create a new layer. Then, once you created a new layer, use your marquee selection, especially the political marquee. And create a sphere, a circle. Then once you create a circle, adjust your setting for the brush using the soft round edge of brush. Then check the color picker, say a dark gray, let's say darker, but let's say 100% black. And then once you have created or you selected your color to black, use a select the transfer, check the transfer setting from your brush setting. And then on the upper left corner of your selection, so you need to paint slightly layer by layer in this area. Copying the loop of water drops to make this darker, and it's just practicing the use of value shading in a traditional process. Then once you get this area with shaded part of this circle selection, so what we need to do next is to create a lighter portion in this area using white. Then we paint in the lower right corner on this one. Okay. Then after that, you need to invert the selection using select inverse, or just press Ctrl Shift I. And then paint in the outer edge of light corner again. And then make this give more highlights or brighter in this part. If you want to go on the inside, again, use the inverse or press Ctrl Shift I. Then after that, you need to create a small circle or just paint on the upper left of this darker portion of this circle. You can increase the opacity. So when you zoom out, you'll see the effect of creating digital water drops, simple water drops in Photoshop.